Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox music. First, navigate to the Creator Hub and select the Audio tab in the Creations section. Here, you will find an extensive library of sounds ready for use in your game, ranging from atmospheric background tracks to various sound effects. Carefully browse the categories, listen to previews, and select audio that enhances your experience. This is your primary resource for all in-game sound. Once you have selected your desired audio, open Roblox Studio and choose where you want the sound to play. Typically, you will insert a sound object into the workspace or directly into a part for localized audio. Next, locate the Properties window for your new sound object. Copy the unique asset ID from the Roblox Creator Hub page and paste it into the Sound ID property field. This links your sound directly to the game. After adding your sound, you can fine-tune its playback using various properties. The volume property, ranging from 0 to 10, controls how loud the sound will be perceived by players. For background music, set the looped property to true to ensure it plays continuously. You can also experiment with the pitch property to make the sound higher or lower, creating unique atmospheric effects or character voices. These adjustments help integrate sound seamlessly into your game. To create an immersive audio environment, remember to use sounds responsibly. Avoid excessive volume changes or abrupt transitions that could startle players. For optimal performance, try to keep the total number of simultaneously playing sounds to a minimum, ensuring your game runs smoothly across all devices. Thoughtful sound design greatly enhances player engagement, creating a memorable and enjoyable experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.